JavaScript is excellent at what it does, and that is to make us cry. Let's add some empty spaces in between our values in the array. This is called a sparse array in JavaScript. If we console log this array, we'll get empty items in between logged. A sparse array is an array which can have these empty items in between. Till here, everything was normal, and now the conjuring begins. Let's try to log the elements of our array using a for each loop. The for loop simply iterates over all the elements in the array, and we can print it easily using console log. Let's add a new line to separate out these outputs. Now, we can see that JavaScript has ignored the empty items of the array. It has simply treated the empty values as if they don't exist, and it has just logged the values which are not empty. Let's try this same thing with another loop, that is the for loop. Let's use an iterator called I, begin its value with 0, take it till the array's length, and now we log the array's ith index one by one. This will simply log all the elements of the array one by one. Let's comment out our previous code and run our code. This time, all the empty values are being printed as undefined. For loop has not skipped the empty values but has treated them as undefined. Let's try the same thing with another loop, and we'll use map this time. We'll simply map over all our items in the array and console log as we have done before. If we run this again, the empty values are ignored. Let's comment this code as well, and now let's use a for off loop. We'll simply console log the elements using the for off loop, and this time if we run the code, well, the undefined elements are back. The same array is being treated differently by different loops. Well, that's JavaScript for you. This happens because internally, the for each loop simply ignores the values that are empty, while in another loop like the for off loop, the empty values are not ignored but set a value of undefined when being iterated over. It's just like the shadows that do not appear in the dark start appearing when there's some light.